welcome to Not Quite a Homestead. Today we're going to build a couple of raised bed boxes for our garden. It's pretty simple to do. You just need a little bit of wood, a couple of screws, and some manpower, or woman power as the case may be. So we're going to use just prime treated wood. A lot of people have problems with pressure treated wood. It used to be treated with arsenic, and so people are concerned that that's going to work its way into your soil, but fortunately anymore it's just treated with micronized copper. Again, if that's something that you're concerned about, you can use other types of wood. You can use raw wood or you can use cedar. I've found the pressure treated just does perfectly fine. Cedar's a little bit out of our budget, and raw wood tends to just break down way too quickly for us. So you're going to need the wood, you're going to need screws. I prefer to use a deck screw. It's meant for outdoors. It's going to last a lot longer. We're actually using a 9 by 3 inch, a number 9 by 3 inch. We want to make sure that it gets in there. We don't have any twisting or anything like that. Most of the boxes of screws will come with a tip just specifically designed for this screw. You'll just need a drill, and you'll need a drill bit to pre-drill your holes. Now you're going to want to pre-drill your holes because you don't want your wood to split. It's really important to do. So we're going to go ahead and get our wood set up, and we're going to show you how to build these boxes. So now that we have our lumber all set up, it's really simple to assemble. All we're going to do is pre-drill some holes into the wood, and we're going to attach it with some deck screws. We use Deckmate screws. You can use any brand, but you want to use a screw that's been specially treated to stand up to moisture. These are going to get a lot of exposure to the elements. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to drill 3 holes in the side, and we butt the smaller piece on the inside, and the reason that we do that is the pressure of the soil will push out, and if the outer board or the inner board was on the outside, it would be more likely to work its way out over the years. So let me get these pre-drilled and we'll move right along. So now that all of our lumber is pre-drilled, we're going to go ahead and attach all of the corners of the boards together to form the box. So there you have it. In a little under 10 minutes, we have 32 square feet of planting space. So for us, this was a pretty cost-effective project. We ended up building 6 total boxes, and that cost us $140. We used 12-foot 6x2 boards, pressure treated, and those at your big box store are about $9 to $10 a piece. It used 2 boards for each box because we cut 4 feet off of each of the 12-foot, so we have 8-foot by 4-foot. The box of 3-inch deck screws was about $8, and that was enough to make all 6 beds. So it was super, super cost effective for us. Go ahead and put in the description box down low the types of materials that we use and the measurements as well. So remember that we're new, so if you have any comments for us, please leave them in the comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next week.